Yahoo everyone! I am Xola, the 𝚂𝚘𝚛𝚢 VTuber. Welcome to my official series for VTubers and streamers where I teach you how to use Streamer.bot. This tutorial will cover how to do a basic check and redeem that randomizes a few texts every time someone different redeems it. You will need to have Streamer.bot already downloaded and linked to your Twitch, so if you haven't done that, pause the video and go do it. It's a game changer, I promise you. This is a beginner-friendly tutorial, so don't be afraid. Pause the video when you need to. I will do my best to guide you step by step. If that's it, let's get on with the tutorial! So this is the main interface that we'll be seeing in Streamer.bot. It's a little overwhelming, but don't worry, we'll get it. So let's go to Action and Queues, then to Actions, and right-click under the Actions box on the left as you can see. Call this Check and Redeem. And from here, we want to put it under a group called User Redeems. This will help with organizing redeems later. So, ta-da! It's under a group now! Super clean! And here, we want to go into Sub-Actions, then click on Add, Core, go to Globals, and then click Set, Global Set. And then here we want to change the user to user redeemer and then call the variable name check and redeem and increment by 1. Next, we're going to do the same thing. So add, core, globals, and global get. And we're going to call this or take the same redeem name we just took, so check and redeem. Change this source to user redeemer. And keep in mind for the part that I'm highlighting right now, this is case sensitive, so make sure you guys are typing this properly. And now for the destination variable, we're gonna call this check and redeem counter. And then click OK. And now we're gonna type a message. So add Twitch chat, then send message to the channel. And I'm gonna pause the screen here for a little bit. Percentage user percentage. This is the username of the Twitch chatter. And percentage check and redeem counter percentage. This was the variable we just typed. This is what will be keeping track of how many check-ins a person has at the moment. Then when you're done, you can click OK. Next, we're gonna go up to triggers, right click, add, Twitch, and channel reward redemption. Now we're going to click create reward and we're going to call this check-in redeem. And we're going to call the group user redeems. This will help with more organization. And for the description, you can put whatever you want. I usually put thank you for checking into my stream just to thank the user. And then take note that we're going to need to change this later. So we'll be coming back to this. Yeah. And then click create. Now, to test the redeem, go into your Twitch page and click check and redeem. And it should say you have checked in one time. I fumbled here because I was testing this redeem earlier and I already clicked it like 9 other times. But by right, it should increment like this. Now, how do we do the random check-in? Now, this is the part which is really fun. It's super simple. We're gonna add group, call it whatever you want. I called it random messages because that was the thing that came to mind. Click OK, and then drag your Twitch message into random messages. And here you want to right click this and click on random. Very important. If not, your messages will not be randomized. And now here are some message examples I came up with. They spotted Bao jorking it with Numi. They spotted K9's burning Kuro at the stake. They spotted Shoto setting his guild on fire. They spotted Doki and the Dragoons terrorizing players in the Apex lobby. And my personal favorite, they spotted Mint having a rivalry with Matara on who can eat the most ice cream. Well, you get the point. You can be as creative as you want with this when it comes to like random messages. And well, just chuck all of the random messages you have under random messages and it will work. You don't need to do anything else. And well, yeah. Now let's go back to our Twitch chat to test this really quick. You should see something like this on screen. I forgot to film this part so I screenshotted it. But it should say all these random messages popping up. And now, last step, we're gonna go into Twitch, Platforms Twitch, Channel Point Rewards, Check and Redeem. Double click it and change that value we were gonna change to 1. This means that whoever is redeeming the redeem right now can only do it one time per stream. And that's it. That's all you need to do. Just make sure to save, make sure everything's working one last time before you hit that live button. I hope this helped someone. I took like 2 hours to figure this out. Please do leave a like and a comment and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. If you guys have any questions, I will do my best to answer them. If you have any suggestions on what you'd like me to cover for Streamer.bot, please do let me know as well, and I will try my best to rack my brain and, you know, come up with a tutorial for it. That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye!